So now let's say what I want to do in my note is add a link to a new page right here. Let's say like a sub page. In that case, what you can actually do is go around over here and type in slash right here and type in page right here, just like this. Once you do that, you can see that the page result pops up. So simply click on it and it actually goes ahead and creates a new page right there. So I'm simply going to go around and say sample page right here, and I'm going to say this is an example right here, just like this. So once you go ahead and do that, the sample page is saved. And if I were to go to my notes, then you can see that this is what you have right here. So you can see the sample page right here, just like this. And as I click on it, you can see that within my notes, a sample page is created. Similarly, I'm going to go ahead and press slash again and type in page and then click on page again, and then over here I'm going to say sample 2 just like this and type this in, and you can see that a sub page is made right here. And that is how you can actually go ahead and make out new pages. You can simply go ahead and type in page as well, click on page again, and say, let's say for example sample 3 right here, type things in right here, and on my notes you can see the sample 3 as well. So that is how you can go ahead and then link to a new page by creating it instantly inside of Notion, inside of your pages, that is existing pages right here, just like this. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.